While we deal with another morning of sub-zero wind chills, there's a heat wave in South America. These photos come from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It was 111 degrees there today, its hottest day in over a decade. City officials issued a heat alert as the steamy stretch is supposed to continue into Carnival.
Wow.
Well, we got a heat wave. I use that term loosely.
Yeah.
But 40s for us after these below zero wind chills is going to feel pretty nice.
We're well below average. You're thinking it's February, it shouldn't be this cold. Absolutely. We're more than 20 degrees below average with the highs today in the teens. We were nearly 30 degrees below average this morning when we woke up below zero. And here we go again. Not as cold as last night for tonight, but we're still dealing with wind chills by morning. 10 below to 20 below, and actual air temperatures either side of zero. We'll stay just a few degrees above zero here in Chicago. Western suburbs will be below zero for tomorrow. Tomorrow comes in with at least a chance for flurries. Overall, the better chances of snow. It's going to be in southwestern Michigan and also in places like LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana. Weekend next week, there's the heat wave Eric was talking about, finally above freezing Saturday. And we've got some 40s in the forecast starting on Sunday. All right, single-digit air temperatures, but here's the important part of the forecast. It's the wind chill. It already feels like it's 12 below zero at DeKalb. It feels like it's 11 below Waukegan and McHenry, anywhere between 6 below and 7 below across Cook County, and anywhere from a few degrees above to 4 below in northwestern Indiana. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, though. Chicago 15 below, but as cold as 20 below in DeKalb. Kankakee at 12 below along with Rensselaer. So it's a cold start to the day, and with a lot of cloud cover, there's not a whole lot of warming going on. Highs tomorrow, a lot like today. We make it into the teens, about 14 degrees, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, and even as we head into the afternoon, look at the wind chills, just a degree or 2 above zero. So it's another cold one for tomorrow. There's the better opportunity of some lake effect snow, LaPorte County and also in southwestern Michigan. That's 9:30 tomorrow morning, and notice how that kind of drifts into southwestern Michigan, gets a little bit stronger as we head towards tomorrow evening once again in LaPorte County. The rest of the area is A-OK. So as we head towards tomorrow, again teens, and then tomorrow evening back in the single digits and low teens and still below zero wind chills, but won't be as brutal in terms of wind chills tomorrow night and as we wake up on your Thursday morning. Inch, if not more, possible coming off of Lake Michigan and LaPorte County. The rest of the area, a dusting possible with a weak disturbance coming in out of the northwest. That's going to generate a couple of flurries for tomorrow. Again, the best we can do is a dusting. And we're also highlighting where the Arctic air is, all the way down south, mid-south, deep south. That's going to retreat as we head towards late this week. And notice as we head towards the weekend, it's mainly in New England and also Canada. That's why those temperatures are going to rebound. So we've got a cold one for tomorrow with high temperature at 14. The 20s are back in town on Thursday, the mid-20s of more sunshine on Friday, 33 on Saturday, 40 on Sunday, and 44 Monday and Tuesday. Have you noticed the signs here in the loop? Watch for falling ice. As we start to thaw out, you know, the condensation vents in the higher buildings, those thaw out. Ice could fall, so we got to keep an eye on that in the next few days.
All right. Thank you, Albert. Okay.